in my chest. My wings, though I'm feeling blessed. Flying high over city lights. Got my heart glowing in the night. I'm an iron girl in a world so cold. Got the power so untold. With a heartbeat made of steel, I'm invincible. It's unreal. Armor strong, but my spirit free. Not a thing can ever shackle me. Sky's the limit where I will soar. Thunder rolling, hear me roar. I'm an iron girl in a world so cold. Got the power so untold. With a heartbeat made of steel, I'm invincible. It's unreal. Oh. Every circuit in my veins, electric rhythm driving me insane. Fearless courage and endless grind. In this iron heart you will find. I'm an iron girl in a world so cold. Got the power so untold. With a heartbeat made of steel, I'm invincible. It's unreal. It's unreal. In a suit of steel, he is flying high. Through the night, touching the sky. Heart of iron never fades. Power coursing through his veins. Man of iron lights the way. Fighting darkness, come what may. Strong and fearless, bold and true. He can do what we can do. glows of fire in his eyes, burning bright above the storm. Warrior heart in human form. Man of iron lights the way, fighting darkness, come what may. Strong and fearless, bold and true. He can do what we can't do.
Bought myself another night.
Pilgrim, do not lose faith. Victory is still within our grasp. Keep fighting the demon lord. I will deal with Bale's ninja. Onto the shield. It will protect us from the flame. Onto the shield. It will protect us from the flames. Well, may this shard be your eternal prison.
Yes, but it will not hold. The primeval spirit is straining at its cage. The shard will not contain him for long.